doing the setting chores yesterday, but right now maninigurado with Cheng. Yan din ang pinalitan naman dito sa galleries after sticking with MNAS yesterday. Perez, who just had a great dig there, is starting for the high risers.
Cheng sets it up to the middle, and Dacoron scores the first points. Sabete now serving for Petrogas. Perez sets it up to Jimenez, who's checked by Pablo. Perez activates the middle, no go that time. Myla swings, and that is checked at the net. Maizo Pontillas, long rally here early on in the first set as Pablo checks that one. And Dacoron with back-to-back points for Petrogas. Encarnacion with the serve, targeting Barbon. Cheng to Myla. This will be a free ball for galleries. Ivy checks her blockers. What an attack by Pelaga. Another free ball. Ivy goes to Ronquillo. Sabete there to defend. And Dacoron adjusts. And this is a hot start for Joy. They trail by 2. Perez. Back set to Jimenez, who had to adjust. Dacoron. Cheng. Pablo with a drop. Good read there by Ivy. Cheng goes to Dacoron, and this time she's checked at the net. But quickly bounces back, converting on that regalo. The ever-reliable Aiza Maizo Pontillas. And there is a service ace by Joy Dacoron. Napakarami na. We already have 11, partner.
Look at that!
But then, parang ayaw na ni Ivy na magkaroon tayo ng tie dito.
The playmakers really making such a huge impact here in set 1 for both teams. As we see Myla Pablo makes a return here.
5 lead changes on 11 deadlocks. Set 1 pa lang po tayo dito sa Batangas City.
And this is the kind of treat that our kababayans from Batangas are enjoying right now.
Another good serve from Ivy. Pontillas checked at the net.
And the younger squad of the Galleries Tower High Risers doing such a...
Assist. Now serving 4 points now for the rookie. Cheng goes to Dacoron, and off the hands of Baliton. Gets the point for Petrogas.
Adjusting to the higher sets na nabibigay sa kanya.
Paran, misreception. Encarnacion running out of space.
Joy Dacoron, I think she's working on being a best server.